Hey language learners, and welcome back to Cattaleya English. Today we are setting a debate that confuses even advanced speakers. We are talking about movement and direction and little words that get you there. To, toward and towards. Are you heading to the bank or towards the bank? Does it even matter? Spoiler alert, yes, it matters. Let's get started. Let's begin with the easiest one, to. Think of to as the finish line tape. When you use to, you are announcing your final specific destination. It is used for places, specific endpoints, and even people who are the recipients of an action. Example 1. After work, I always go to the gym. My final stop is the gym. Example 2. We drove to the very top of the mountain. The specific peak is the end point. Example 3. Did you deliver the report to the manager? The manager is the specific recipient. See, to is definite. If you're describing the exact place you will end up, to is your champion. You are arriving. Now let's look at the cousins. Towards and toward. They mean exactly the same thing. First, the geography lesson. Towards is generally preferred in British English. Toward is used in American English. We use towards or toward when we are describing the movement in the general direction of something, but we are not certain or focused on the final arrival. Think of it like pointing generally down the road, not stopping at the house. Example 1. The lost dog was running towards the highway. It was heading that way, but we don't know if it reached the highway or turned off. Example 2. I saw him walking towards the office building, but he stopped to take a call before entering. He was moving in the direction, but didn't complete the journey to the office yet. So towards is about the journey, and to is about the arrival. Let's log this in with a quick side-by-side comparison. This is the aha moment. To, final arrival, specific endpoint. I walked to the door. I opened it. Towards, general direction, movement or approach. I walked towards the door. I was moving in that direction. Key takeaway. Use to when you state the final guaranteed spot. Use towards when you are describing the path or the general inclination of movement. Time to test your new superpowers. Fill in the blank with the best choice. To, towards or toward. Correct answers. 1. Towards, toward, general direction of the truck. 2. To, the head of department is the final specific recipient. 3. Towards, toward, looking in the general direction of the sunset. 4. To, Paris is the final specific destination of the journey. How did you do? If you nailed those, you have mastered movement prepositions. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more English deep dives. And let me know in the comments where are you heading to next week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!